Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change brightness Minecraft. To start, open Minecraft, press Escape key to access the menu, click on Settings. Here in the video section, you can adjust the brightness using the slider bar in the brightness section. After this, in the search box, enter %app data %, click on File folder. In Explorer, open the .minecraft folder, then double-click on the Options text file. In the file, locate the gamma line. Here, enter the value 1000.0. From the File menu, save the change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.